The Constitutional Court says it'll review all allegations related to the impeachment motion against President Park Geun-hye. While that is obviously necessary for a thorough examination of the case, it dashes hopes for a speedy review process, despite the pressure from the public and politicians for the justices to make their ruling within a mandated 180-day window. Kwon Jang-ho has this report.
Constitutional Court justices met on Monday to lay out plans for how to adjudicate the motion to impeach President Park Geun-hye. In addition to agreeing to establish a task force of roughly 20 researchers, the justices also agreed on the scope of the review. Court spokesperson Bae Bo-yoon said the court will undertake a review of all the charges that Parliament cited in the impeachment motion, including abuse of presidential power and embezzlement. There's been pressure on the court from the public and political sphere to speed up the review process by looking at only the most serious offences. But the court said that is impossible, as they do not have the right to pick and choose which charges to examine. The spokesperson stressed that the justices will proceed as fast as they can within the constitutionally mandated 180-day window, but there are no estimates on how long the review will actually take. The first significant step is to come by Friday, the deadline President Park has been given to submit a written statement of her defense.
Once the written defense has been submitted, the court president will appoint the justices who will be responsible for trial preparations.
Those appointments are expected next week, and the justices will begin by gathering statements from the related parties before the trial begins. At least 6 out of the 9 justices must rule in favor of the Parliament's motion for President Park to be impeached. Another formal meeting for the justices and court researchers has been scheduled for Tuesday. Kwon Jang-ho, Arirang News.